Is your Windows 11 running slowly, overheating, constant spinning of the fan, hanging and lagging? This is a sign that your Windows laptop CPU is doing excess work. Then you need to fix this with these simple settings. That is, fix window with high CPU usage using registry. This is what you can do on your own without any problem. So this video, I will guide you through the processes in a moment. Then your computer will start working again, plus tips you can use to fix this issue at the end. The first thing you have to do is to create a restoring point. Doing so is very simple. So click on this start button, then type in or search for create restore point in the search bar here. Then it comes out like this. Click on this button to create a restore point. It brings to this interface. Now make sure you are under system protection. Come to this place, click on create. Now from here, give it a name. Let's say restore 1. Restore 1. Then click on create. Wait for Windows to create this. Within a very few seconds, it will create the restore point for you. So the restore point was created successfully. Then close this page. Now click on OK. Then restore point has been created. That is the first thing you have to do. Step 2, you're going to open the Registry Editor. So from here, guys, you can right click on this place. You click on this run. It brings to this interface, or you combine Windows plus R. It brings you to this interface. The two processes work perfectly. Now in the space provided here, type in Registry Edit. Regedit. Then click the enter button on the keypad, or you click on this OK. It comes out like this. Then click on yes. Now that I've clicked on yes, it comes out like this. Now step 3 from this place is very simple. You have to navigate through this registry, then go and click HK local machine, this arrow. Then from here, click on system. Now from here, click on control, current control sets here. Now scroll down until you get to control. Click on control. So under control, scroll down until you get to priority control. Priority control. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, then take your time and look at this place. You want this button, that is Win32 priority separation. If this is available on your device, then you are a bit ahead, and if not, then you need to create this. This leads us to step 4. So if this is in your device, then pause, and if it is not, then continue. Now to create this, if it is not on your device, come to the plain side here, right click. Now move over your mouse to this arrow and click on this button, word 32-bit value. Click on it. Now write what is here, Win32 priority separation without space. Then hit the enter button. Now that I've created it, then this takes us to the next step. The next step, you have to set the value for this. To do that is you have to double click on this button. It brings you to this interface. Then under hexadecimal, change it to 26. Then click on OK. That has been set. You've changed it to 26. That has been set. Now that has been set, you are good to go. Then this, you need to close this registry now. Now that is step number 6. Once you've closed the registry, then you need to reboot your laptop, restart your computer. Once you've restarted your computer, now you can monitor this to be sure that your CPU is not running very fast or is not running at the high level. Your device is not lagging. To check this is very simple. Access the taskbar. There are so many ways you can access the taskbar. The first and the simplest way is to combine three keys: Window plus Shift plus Escape. So combine these three keys, it opens the taskbar like this. Then you can as well come to this start button, right click, then click on this task manager. It brings to this interface. Then you can as well come to this place, right click and select task manager. Either of these three process give you this perform this action very well. Now that I've done this, once you've restarted your computer and you have done this, then take a look at the performance and see how the CPU is being used. Now if the CPU is still high, then come to this button that says startup button, click on it, then disable every apps you have here. I've guided you on how to do that. In case you don't know how to do that, just click on any of these apps, come to this place and click on disable. You can as well right click, then click on disable. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to do is to be sure that your system is up to date. Your operating system is up to date. You need to update your device. So to do that is very simple. Come to this place, click on it, then click on settings. Now that I've clicked on settings, scroll down, click on Windows Update, then check for any update. If there is any update here, check for the update and install the update. Let your device run on the latest version. Then doing this, then your device will run very fast. Then after that, you may scroll down to the advanced option here, this place, click on it, then scroll down to this place where you see update option. If you have any update option here, there is 0. If you have any here, just open it, download, install. With these settings, your device will run perfectly. It will run okay, and if you start lagging, the file will not spinning all the time, then your system will start running very fine. So if you enjoy what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you guys on our next video.